Good morning. If you are an expat living in Italy and English is your language, and you've been struggling for a long time trying to get a license, and it's such a confusing process because you have to learn Italian and it seems very complicated. Some people think it's impossible. And then you have to eventually, if you do learn a bit of Italian, you have to go deal with the Manuale della Patente, huge, big, fat textbook. You get a headache just looking at it. So what if I told you there was an easy way to get a license and that you could actually learn in English? I know you'll be all very excited, but it sounds too good to be true. But you can give it a try. You can learn it in English in a very nice, easy brain hack way because I am a brain trainer. So it's a fun process and you can actually learn a bit of Italian and be sure of the fact that you will, if you join us, you definitely will leave with a license in your pocket. Still not convinced? You can look at our testimonials. Check it out in TikTok, in Instagram, and in YouTube. You'll notice other people from more than 45 countries who have successfully passed with various walks of life. You know, some people are studying, some are professionals, some are just doing manual work. But regardless of your background, regardless of your knowledge, regardless of how much of Italian you know or don't know, Ambrish Quick Patente is an institute that can make you pass despite of that and make it also very enjoyable. And if you don't believe it, call up and ask for a 2 or 3 days trial class so you can see it for yourself before joining. Hope this is convincing enough, at least to give it a try. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Okay, I'm waiting for your calls. See you later.